Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the image ready. Open Settings or long press the home screen to choose Wallpaper. Pick Gallery or Photos so you control cropping. Once selected, choose Preview or Set. Don't tap Apply yet if you need to adjust. Make sure to disable any simple crop tools first because some launchers force a zoom. If your phone offers crop handles, use them now to frame the subject. This is where you prevent automatic zoom and keep the full composition. Now you control scale. Pinch with 2 fingers to zoom out until edges are visible and move the image to center the focus. Many launchers offer Fit or Fill. Choose Fit to avoid cropping. Fill can zoom. If options aren't visible, tap the menu or 3 dots for advanced scaling. Once done, preview both home and lock screens since Android may crop differently for each. Make sure you select the correct screen targets before finalizing to keep the finish by tapping Set Wallpaper and choosing Home, Lock, or both so you apply the exact layout you previewed. If the wallpaper still zooms after applying, disable wallpaper scrolling in launcher settings or switch to a different launcher because some force parallax and crop. As a quick fix, clear the Gallery app cache or install a dedicated wallpaper app that preserves scale. If none of that works, resave the image at your screen resolution and repeat the steps to ensure a perfect fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.